Got a pile of sales data and no time to build charts? Let's turn it into a live dashboard in under 2 minutes. No spreadsheets, no code, let's go. First, on the Manus homepage, click More up here and select Visualization. This opens the Data Analysis workspace. This is where all the magic happens. Now I'll upload my data. This is a bakery sales file with the date, store, item, category, and prices for every sale. Manus takes CSV, Excel, or even PDF, so don't worry about reformatting anything first. Here's the important part. Just tell it what you want in plain English. I'm asking for KPI cards up top, a filter by store, and a bar chart breaking down sales by category. No formulas, no formatting. Just describe it like you're talking to a teammate, and that's it. Manus builds the whole dashboard for you. Look at that. Revenue at the top, a category breakdown chart, and a filter panel on the side. This used to take an afternoon in a spreadsheet. Let's click this store filter and pick Downtown. Watch the charts. They update instantly to show just that store's numbers. That's the interactive part. It's not just a static picture, it actually responds. Last step, hit share up here and you get a link you can send straight to your team. No downloads, no exporting, or they just open it and it's live. That's a full interactive dashboard from raw sales data in a couple of minutes. Try it with your own file. See you in the next one.